Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, like I've been saying, this move down is very likely a pullback to this move up right here because of the weekly time frame, which means that this is likely impulsive down, corrective up, probably going to lead to at least one more impulsive down, maybe to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels before it ends up continuing the higher weekly and monthly time frame uptrend. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, primarily we should be looking for sorts in a downtrend for sure. I mean, the trend is definitely down, as you can see on the daily. So if we do get some sort of a, one, two, three wave pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then an engulfing down, I definitely would take it as a short. There's been a couple pretty decent shorts over the last few days. I mean, especially back here. So I will continue to look for sorts at least until the daily time frame tells me otherwise by like making a nice engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, which it definitely hasn't done yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.